In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track attendance in Monday.com. We'll walk through setting up an attendance board using a template and then customizing a few key settings so it actually works for your team, class, or project. Make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account so you can follow along in real time. First, open the project or board where you want to manage attendance. This might be an existing workspace or a board you've already been using for your team. Once you're on that main board page, look near the top of the screen for the option that's highlighted in your interface. This is usually where Monday.com lets you add new views or create new boards from templates. Click on that highlighted area, and in the menu that appears, choose the option to Start with Template. This will open the Template Center, where you can browse pre-built boards that Monday.com provides for different use cases. In the template search bar, type in the highlighted keyword you see in your own interface. This helps narrow down the templates so you can quickly find the one designed for tracking attendance or something very close to it. When you see the relevant template appear in the results, click on it to open the details page. On the template details page, you'll see a preview of the columns, groups, and overall structure. This gives you a sense of how attendance will be organized. When you're ready to add it to your account, click on Use Template. Monday.com will now create a new board based on that template and take you directly into it once it's done. Inside this new attendance board, look again for the highlighted area or button that appears near the top or side of the board. Click on it to open the configuration or settings related to your attendance view. You may see additional highlighted options. Click through those as shown on your screen to open the specific settings panel you need. From here, you'll see different fields with numbers and durations, such as values like 1 or 4 days. These control things like how far ahead your attendance view looks, how many days it covers, or how data is grouped. Click on the first one to adjust that value, then confirm. Do the same for the next one, and then on the 4 days option. Finally, click on the last one you see, setting the numbers and ranges to match your scheduling needs. To finish, click on the Person field. This lets you assign each attendance entry to a specific team member or participant so you can clearly see who is present, absent, or scheduled on any given day. Once that's configured, your attendance tracking in Monday.com is ready to use and customize further as needed.